I'm trying to create an avenue for us to celebrate our cultures. The reason why I wanted to do the largest drawing in the world was to challenge myself and also to create an impact. I took a trip around the country primarily because of my fascination about this fact.
If you are truly going down to find out real traditional history, you need to be very careful and really dig in deeper.
Fola David's attempt at the Guinness Book of World Records is absolutely mind-blowing.
The most interesting part of this drawing is the theme, unity in diversity.
One of the most beautiful things about the country, the fact that everybody really celebrates and enjoys their culture, enjoys their heritage, their history. They're also encouraged to show it to other cultures.
Your culture generally is your identity, but your language happens to be very unique because you can't practice your culture well in the absence of your language. It's your language that will interpret your culture for you.
Things on the head represent the conquest at war. So those are human heads. So each time when she goes to war, she puts the number of heads that she brings them back on her, like they take them on their heads.
I'm very proud of Fola and what he's trying to do. He said to me, it's taken 9 years of planning just to get this far.
Calabash for two years.
This drawing is personal, not just to me, but to every Nigerian. If we decide to break a record that actually speaks to each and every one of us and tells us that this story of Nigeria would only get better and bigger if we all work together. We are stronger because of what we are, because we have our diverse cultures. It's our strength.
This project means a lot to Africa, so it's great, it's inspiring.
No, na ni buke jile we melego. Nya bu ego de mai ma Hausa mi Yoruba.
Agwa m sef na nwa onye na-abịa chọọ ịzọ ụkwụ n'ala Igbo maka ihe ọ chọrọ iji maka ya bịa.
I like the journey and the story.
There needs to be storytelling.
The closing, everybody wants to touch you. Do you feel really loved?
I was so excited, but they were dragging me away. I mean, if they give me more days, I'll keep going now. I'm tired now.
What was your mind when you wanted to beat the last thing? The hand?
It's, represents the growth. If we all see ourselves as one, like I depicted here, then we're going to grow. And we have to all come together to make that happen. It's unbelievable. I'm so happy. I didn't
you don't have the words yet.
I didn't expect it, I never thought about this part, I just wanted to do the drawing and, that was it. I was more particular about inspiring people to do great things.
Yeah.
I didn't know
it was going to be this
that
big.
People
come out.
Want
to achieve themselves this big.
I know, man.
Well done. Congratulations. Yeah. Let's go. Everyone is proud of you.
No, I don't even know why. Not to talk of believing, I don't even know why.
Everybody came from everywhere. You don't realize what you've done yet. You've put your country on the map again. For good.